Most people think all pharma companies are the same, but that's not true. There are 7 major types of pharmaceutical companies, and they all operate differently, hire different roles, and offer different career opportunities. If you're applying to jobs without knowing the structure, you could end up stuck in the wrong position, underpaid, frustrated, or overlooked. In this video, I'll explain each company type, show real examples, and help you understand where you fit best, even if you have no license or experience. Let's get started. The first type is the manufacturing plant. These are the facilities where drugs are physically produced, from raw materials to finished packaging. They handle production, packaging, quality testing, and batch release. Common departments include QA, QC, engineering, production, validation, and supply chain. They hire roles like QA associate, production operator, supply chain coordinator, documentation specialist, and analyst. If you're hands-on, detail-oriented, and want to enter quickly, this is a great entry point, especially in generic pharma. Next, we have innovative pharma companies. These are the big R&D-based companies like Pfizer, AstraZeneca, or Novartis. They invest heavily in research and clinical trials to develop brand new drugs. They hire for advanced roles like regulatory affairs manager, clinical research associate, medical affairs specialist, and pharmacovigilance scientist. This environment is slower paced, highly regulated, and focused on scientific advancement. If you have a science background or clinical training, this is an excellent long-term track. Now let's talk about generic pharma companies. Generic companies produce drugs that are no longer under patent. They don't do R&D. They focus on efficient manufacturing and regulatory compliance to get affordable medicines to market. These companies are fast-paced and cost-driven, offering high-volume opportunities. Entry roles include QA technician, RA assistant, BD coordinator, tender executive, and logistics planner. This is one of the best options for newcomers, pharmacists without a local license, and those looking for practical experience. The fourth type is the MA holder, short for Marketing Authorization Holder. An MA holder legally owns the license to sell a drug, but may outsource the manufacturing and distribution. This type of company often works with third parties managing oversight and compliance. They hire for regulatory, pharmacovigilance, QA oversight, and the responsible person role in some countries. If you like working cross-functionally and managing outsourced partners, this is the model for you. The fifth type is importers and distributors. These companies import finished products and sell them within the local market. They focus on logistics, customs, labeling, documentation, and communication with health authorities like the Ministry of Health or the FDA. Roles include Regulatory Affairs Officer, QA for release, Logistics Manager, and Cold Chain Coordinator. If you're organized and good with systems, this is an excellent way in. Next, wholesalers and resellers. These companies buy from manufacturers or MA holders and resell to pharmacies, hospitals, or other distributors. They operate more like B2B suppliers, with a strong focus on inventory, sales, and distribution. Entry-level opportunities include sales rep, inventory coordinator, warehouse QA, and operations assistant. This type of company is ideal if you want to start in sales or logistics without a scientific background. Finally, we have buy and sell traders, also known as B2B pharma traders. These companies don't make drugs, they broker them. They buy in bulk and sell through licensing, tenders, or direct distribution across different countries. They often work with international partners, ministries, or hospital groups. Roles include business development executive, regulatory liaison, and licensing specialist. If you have strong communication and negotiation skills, this is a high-income niche to consider. So let's summarize. If you're a beginner, start with generic companies, wholesalers, or importers. If you're technical, go for manufacturing or QA. If you like business and growth, try MA holders or B2B trading. And if you're strategic or scientific, look at innovative pharma. Each of these company types has its own culture, career paths, and hiring needs. Most importantly, many of them offer roles that do not require a pharmacist license. To help you get started, I've prepared a free PDF guide. Chapters 17 pharma jobs you can apply for without a license. These are real job titles, and many of them are being hired right now, even by global companies. Click the link in the description or first comment below to download your free guide and start your pharma journey the smart way. And if you found this video helpful, Make sure to subscribe and check out my full Pharma Career Academy system, designed to help you transition into pharma, no matter your background. See you in the next video.